It's a little wire that holds pushes the door. There it is. So the bad gear is hit this one here. Well, that doesn't move at all. It doesn't move. See, this is the chain. That should be running freely, one way and not the other way. The other way, the gear turns with the weight. See how this one works? It's easy. But anyway, we're here now. Take off the gears, the chain. Some of the links are a little bit wider than others. You know, the chain is old, it's not brand new or anything like that, and they get tangled up. That's it, that one is out. Here's the bad boy. It's very hard to see in there because where it is. If you can see, I changed the chain just in case, you know, was maybe I thought the chain, but as you can see, look, this is the big one, this is the small one, not the chain, it's just that. This thing here, let's see which way are we, this way. This one here. Can you hear it? Look, it's turning now. Look at that. You can hear the clicks. That's what happened the last time. I done it and it was working. I said, oh great, put it back and look where we are now. Just trying to, look at that. Anyway. Well, look, now again, I have another go to have a look why tight and it doesn't work. And now, as you can see, it's as though there's nothing wrong with it. Look. Same as this one. Yep. Okay. We'll have a little break and I'll come back to it. It's working, but I'm pulling the chain. I haven't got the weight on. So I have to work it out. Where is the trouble? Well, apparently the wheel or the sprocket gear is doing, it's alright, there's nothing wrong with it, but there must be something else, because when I put, you can see here I'm holding the bird out. If I let go the bird, still working. So hopefully something went alright somewhere. And this is working properly. This is the one that will not work before. Might be alright after all.